Every day you wake up, you get a new chance, not the perfect one, not a guaranteed one, but a chance. A chance to start again, to do better, to say what you did not, to live what hurt you. Every sunlight is not just light, it's forgiveness. It's the word saying, try again. You do not have it all figured out, you just have to show up. And maybe today, you fall again. Maybe it hurt again, but maybe, just maybe, you'll take one step. You were not take yesterday. You are not your past. You're not stuck. You're still becoming. So take a breath, look around, feel the weight. Live just a little, because today, right now, is a new page, and it's your to write.